This is Navin, PGT Chemistry, TS Model School, Ibrahimpatnam. Today I want to discuss about balancing a redox reaction. So what is redox reaction? Redox reaction nothing but a reaction which involves both oxidation and reduction. A reaction which involves both oxidation and reduction is called redox reaction. Reduction, oxidation in the name C. Redox, reduction, oxidation. So the combination of both oxidation and reduction is called redox reaction. Now we are balancing the redox reaction. There are two methods are there to balance a redox reaction. One is oxidation number method, another one is ion electron method. Ion electron method is a very important method and easy method also. And there are two ways are there, in acidic medium and in basic medium. Now I am going to tell the balancing a redox reaction in ionic electron method in acidic medium. Ion electron method in acidic medium. See, in acidic medium one method is there, in basic medium one more method is there. Now I am discussing in acidic medium. So first it involves 8 steps, remember. 8 steps are there to balance a redox reaction in ion electron method in acidic medium. First step. First we are writing a skeletal ionic equation. A skeletal ionic equation we are writing. Let me take one example. MnO4 plus sulfur dioxide gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus HSO4 minus. Now we are assigning the oxidation numbers to all the atoms. So how to calculate oxidation number? Already I did one video. Please first watch that video, then come to this video. Now we are assigning the oxidation numbers. The oxidation number of manganese is plus 7, oxygen always minus 2 oxygen, sulfur here plus 4, oxygen always minus 2. This is a free ion, so plus 2 oxidation state, hydrogen plus 1, sulfur plus 6, oxygen minus 2. Like that we have to assign, or we have to find, we have to calculate the oxidation number of each and every atom in a skeleton ionic equation. Then what? Then we have to identify the atoms whose oxidation number changes from reactant to product. See here, manganese here plus 7, here plus 2. The oxidation number changes. Sulfur here plus 4, here plus 6. Remaining all same, but here changes. We identified what? The atoms whose oxidation number changes. Manganese oxidation number changes, sulfur oxidation number changes. After that what? Second step. We have to divide this equation into two half reactions. Those reactions are oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. What is oxidation half reaction? The reaction in which oxidation number increases is called oxidation half reaction, and the reaction in which oxidation number decreases is called reduction half reaction. In this reaction, manganese plus 7 to plus 2 means decreases. So this is the reduction half reaction. And here plus 4 to plus 6, the oxidation number increases. So this is oxidation half reaction. This is the second step. We have to divide the equation into two half reaction, oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. So we are writing now. Oxidation half reaction. Sulfur dioxide gives rise to HSO4 minus. Oxidation half reaction. Reduction half reaction. MnO4 minus gives rise to Mn plus 2. This is the reduction half reaction. This is the second step. Now third step. Balance the atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. So balancing, how to balance these atoms? Just we are multiplying with a suitable coefficient. Just we are multiplying with a suitable coefficient. We balance the atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. So here other than oxygen and hydrogen, which atom is there? Sulfur. Now we are balancing this. How many sulfurs left side? 1. How many sulfurs right side? 1. Already it is balanced. So we are writing as this. Sulfur dioxide gives rise to HSO4 minus. Here, how many manganese left side? 1. How many manganese right side? 1. Remember, this is a charge, this is not a number. Just it is the charge, means manganese loses 2 electrons. Only 1 manganese is there. So 1 manganese left to 1 manganese right to. So as this I am writing MnO4 minus gives rise to Mn plus 2. This is the third step. Now fourth step, we are balancing the oxygen atoms. In acidic medium, we are balancing the oxygen atom just by adding the water molecule. Water molecule having how many oxygens? One oxygen. So just to balance one oxygen atom, we are adding one water molecule. How many oxygen atoms left side in this oxidation of reaction? Two oxygen atoms are there. How many right side? 4. So how many sulfur left side? How many oxygens required? 2 oxygens required. So how many water should added? So 2 water molecules should added. Why? Because one water molecule having one oxygen, we require 2 oxygens. So we are adding the 2 water molecules left side. So SO2 plus 2 water molecules gives rise to HSO4 minus. Now the oxygen atoms are balanced. 4 oxygen atoms left side, 4 oxygen atoms right side. Here 4 oxygen atoms left side, no oxygen atoms right side. So I am adding how many water molecules here? 4 water molecules. It requires 4 oxygens. So I am adding 4 water molecules right side. 4 water molecules. Now 4 oxygens left side and 4 oxygens right side. This is the fourth step. Okay, now see, we are balancing the hydrogen atoms. In acidic medium, we are balancing the hydrogen atoms by adding the H+. To balance the oxygen atoms, we are adding the water molecule. To balance the hydrogen atoms, we are adding the H+. So to balance one hydrogen atom, we are adding the one H+. See how many hydrogen atoms left side? SO2 plus 2 H2O gives rise to HSO4 minus. How many hydrogen atoms left side? 4 hydrogen atoms left side. How many hydrogen atoms right side? 1 hydrogen atom right side. So how many hydrogens are needed here? 3 hydrogens are needed. So to balance the hydrogens, we are adding the what? H plus in acidic medium. So I am adding what? 3 H plus. To balance one hydrogen, I am adding 1 H plus. It requires 3 hydrogens, so I am adding 3 H plus ions right side. So total 4 hydrogens right side, 4 hydrogens left side. In the same way, manganese. Here, how many hydrogens left side? No hydrogens. Here, how many hydrogens? 4 2 8. So 8 hydrogens right side. So I am adding 8 H plus left side. MnO4 minus plus 8 H plus gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus 4 water molecules. This is the fifth step. Balance the hydrogen atoms by adding the H plus in acidic medium. Now next step, balance the charges by addition of what? Electrons. Electron having which charge? Negative charge. So by adding the negative charges, we can balance the charges left side and right side. So how now we are calculating the charges left side. See, is it a neutral molecule or not? Yes, it is a neutral molecule. So what is the charge of this neutral molecule? 0. Neutral molecule having 0 charge. How much coefficient? 1 coefficient. Here nothing is there means what? 1. So 0 into 1, 0. Plus it is also neutral molecule. The charge is 0. So 0 into 2, 0. Total charge is what? 0 left side in OH oxidation of reaction. Here how many charges are there here? Minus 1 charge. What is the coefficient? 1. So minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus. What is the charge here? Plus 1 charge. So plus 1 into coefficient is 3. So plus 1 into 3 plus 3. So total plus 2. Remember to while balancing the charges, remember one point. In oxidation half reaction, we are always adding the electrons right side, product side. In reduction half reaction, we are always adding the electrons left side, nothing but reactant side. In the here product side, we are adding the electrons. Here reactant side, we are adding the electrons. The charges must be equal left and right. Now we are adding the electrons in oxidation half reaction right side. So how many electrons should added to become 0? 2 electrons. Why? Because electron having negative charge. So 2 electrons means minus 2. Plus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. It will become what? 0. So I am adding 2 electrons right side. plus 2 water molecules gives rise to HSO4 minus plus 3H plus 2 electrons. In the same way, reduction of reaction, we are adding the electrons what? Left side, reactant side. Now we can calculate the charge left side. How many charges are there here? Minus 1. What is the coefficient? 1. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1 plus 1 into 8 plus 8. Total plus 7. Left side. Now plus 2. This is a neutral molecule. 0 into 4 0. So total plus 2. I am adding the electrons what? Left side. So how many electrons should add it to become plus 2? 5 electrons. When I add the 5 electrons, 7 minus 5, I will get what? Plus 2. So I am adding 5 electrons left side in reduction of reaction. 8H plus 5 electrons gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus 4H2O. Like this. We can balance the what? Charges like this. Okay na? So balance the charges. And next step is 7th step. Now to get a balanced equation, we are adding the oxidation of reaction and reduction of reaction. When we add the oxidation of reaction and reduction of reaction, the number of electrons should same in OHR and RHR. So if there is not same, so we have to multiply with any suitable coefficient, then it will become what? Same. See, 2 electrons are there in OHR, 5 electrons are there in RHR. So I have multiplied with 5. Then it will become what? 10 electrons. Here I am multiplying with 2. Then it will become what? 10 electrons. Like that, the number of electrons should same in OHR and RHR to get a balanced equation. Then we can add. Now we can add. See, multiply with 5 and we can multiply the total components in this reaction. Remember, not only electron. So 5 sulfur dioxide plus 10 H2O gives rise to 5 HSO4 minus plus 15 H plus 10 electrons. Like this. Next, say I am taking here 2 multiply with 2 MnO4 minus plus 2 hexa 16 H plus 10 electrons gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus 2Mn plus 2 plus 8 H2O. We can add the two reactions. If same species are there left side and right side, we can cancel. Here 10 electrons left side of the arrow and 10 electrons right side of the arrow. Is there any cancelling terms? Yes. 15 H plus right side, 16 H plus means 1 H plus is extra. Then 8 water right side, 10 water, so remaining 2 water here. Is there any cancelling terms? No. Then write the balanced equation. 5 sulfur dioxide plus 2 water molecule. Left side we are writing left side. Then plus 2 MnO4 minus plus here 1 H plus is there. 1 H plus gives rise to 5 HSO4 minus plus 2 Mn plus 2. Then final step, the balanced equation is what? 5 sulfur dioxide plus 2 H2O plus 2 MnO4 minus plus H plus gives rise to 5 HSO4 minus plus 2 Mn plus 2. This is the final answer. Now we have to verify whether the atoms left side and right side balanced or not. How many sulfurs left side? 5 sulfurs. Right side 5 sulfurs. How many oxygens left side? 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 plus 8 20 oxygens left side. Right side 5 4s are 20. 20 oxygen. Oxygens balanced. Sulfurs balanced and oxygens also balanced. Now hydrogens. 4 hydrogens left side. I 1. 4 plus 1. 5 hydrogens left side. 5 hydrogens right side. Hydrogen also balanced. 2 manganese left side. 2 manganese right side. This is the balanced redox equation in acidic medium.